Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to add widgets to Taskbar Windows 11. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To add widgets to the taskbar on Windows 11, follow these steps. So firstly, press Win plus W on your keyboard to open the widgets panel. In the widgets panel, click on the plus button to view suggested widgets available for adding. Click on the widget you want to add, then click Pin to add it to your widgets. Another method: to add a widget that is not on the suggested, click on Find More Widgets. This will open the Microsoft Store where you can browse a collection of free and paid widgets. Click on the widget you want to add, then click Get, and just follow the prompts to install the widget. By following these steps, you can easily add widgets to the taskbar in Windows 11, using both suggested widgets and widgets available from the Microsoft Store. And this is how you can customize your Windows 11 experience by adding widgets to the taskbar for quick access to useful information and features. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.